Okay, good. So we should be live, right? The audio, guys, is working. Hold on one second, guys, because it's page and make a bunch of noise right now. The audio and video is all right, good. So on the road, my friends, welcome to another edition of our weekly Thursday night training. Tonight, I'm going to show you something cool. So we're driving in a little bit deeper. I needed an actual tutorial for tonight. So I'm not going to go through a lot of stories and all this stuff. I'm just going to show you some stuff and go straight to the screen share. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you the Lead Lightning funnel, the free lead system funnel, even basic capture pages for Power Lead System, right? How to get referral link A, referral link B. We've talked about that in the archives Thursday night training. Tonight, I want to take it a little bit deeper. How to install page, follow-up email, Power Lead System to keep everything generic. Okay, so I'm going to give you a share code tonight. I've created a completely, I can do these trainings system that I've got a mess in my back office. I've got tons of share codes installed, tons of funnels, my back office is so full. It does not look really new if you're just getting started. So I wanted to show you that. Created a completely test account. Would click here, click start generating leads within 24 to 48 hours. I mean, ASAP, get your teammate on the road, get yourself on the road, get on the road down to collecting leads and using the system recordings and how to replicate specs to this page about how to generate free lead, convert with email follow-up. And other nights like tonight, we actually go into the Power Lead System and show people how the product they want, okay? So anyway, with that said, let me go to screen share. Let me go to screen share my screen. There we go. Our support groups, okay, right? So you get invited to the training, posting relevant articles and training tips, people asking questions, install a share code funnel, get tracking email leads, how to create your own and plug this in. So before I even knew what the heck I was doing, easiest, quickest way to go about it. Now we're in the back office again. Watch the video. Want results? Get the system. Cool system. Little income with the product itself, number one. So we're here. How do we? And beneath my next training, this is for next week, but mi familia, right? Having some productive activity goals. It's not either or. It's not taking the easy road. It's just, hey,